The top 5 best budget drones recommendation. Recommendation number 1. DJI U46 Mini Drone for Kids 2.4 GHz RC Drones. The DJI U64 possesses a handy 3-speed mode, which enables flight at different speeds. This function enables users of different skill levels to have peak flying experience. The drone is super safe and durable, making it snatch for kids and inexperienced flyers. The propellers are packaged in a way to prevent damage in the event of a collision and curious kids from its blades. It also possesses an inbuilt alarm for when the battery is low to prevent mid-flight crashes, and also to help you locate the drone to prevent loss. Recommendation number 2. Maku Drone with 1080p camera. The Maku is not a super heavy drone. It can even be folded in your pocket for ease of mobility during outdoor activities. The propeller guard fitted at each point prevents propeller damage, which saves you money that would have otherwise been spent on replacement. Also, in case of accidents, the guards prevent you or any victim from harm. The Maku is great for taking pictures at parties, hiking, fishing, and other outdoor activities. Pictures can be taken from high altitudes without a dent in their quality thanks to its 50x zoom capabilities. Recommendation number 3. Holystone H-110 DFPV RC Drone. The Holystone H-110D comes with great altitude hold mode. This great feature is combined with the 1008 camera. Taking pictures with this drone ensures you get that awesome aerial picture in high definition, and also records videos from the air that are going to look professional and wow your friends. All of the good stuff does not end there. It also comes with an inbuilt double battery pack for double the flight time, and lets you explore your surroundings from the comfort of your home or location. Recommendation number 4. Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone. The 4K UHD camera comes with image stabilization and shock absorption. Combined with its aerial stability, your pictures are sure to come out completely awesome. You have to put in the effort to mess up pictures and videos with all of these drone capabilities. The HS720 comes fitted with 2 batteries, which combinedly give you a flight time of almost 1 hour. It also has a GPS return home feature in case you lose sight of your drone or your drone in mid-flight runs low on power. This feature ensures that the possibility of your drone getting lost during mid-flight is 0. Recommendation number 5. DJI Mavic Mini Combo Drone Flycam Quadcopter UAV. The DJI Mavic Mini features alone make it an absolute steal for its price. This drone boost with an easy user interface will be okay for stars. As an added plus, it weighs less than 250 grams, which means you do not have to register it with the FAA. This drone is durable and super light to handle. It can fit in your pocket or bag easily, which makes it easy to move your drone from one location to another. It has a 12MP HD camera that will give your aerial photos a professional appearance. These drones are known for their durability,